Good morning, everyone. We're gonna start this video with cleaning. Yes, today is Sunday. It's August 11th. Yes, it's August 11th, and we're gonna clean our room.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it?
I'm switching my bag from this. I really love using this one. It's really comfortable, easy to open. But I'm switching my bag to this backpack because I have a lot of things. I bring a lot of things. Ever since senior high school, I bring books, textbooks, hygiene pouch, notebooks, laptop, and extra papers, which is the reason why I always have back pain. Here's my food. The next class. Anong next class natin, ate?
10:30 to 1. Ano yan?
1:30. 10:30 to 1:30. Anong subject? Ay, anatomy lab.
Uy,
The medic student.
hi guys. Sikat yan. Sikat sa TikTok.
We have another full day of classes today, just like yesterday. 7:30 to 7:30 in school.
Ano yung flash?
Naman. Hindi, daw nagsasoftling.
So? College na.
As a healthy girl. It's currently 10:44 and yep, we're still late. My usual sleep schedule is 9. My usual sleep schedule is 9 p.m. but I stayed up a bit late today. A bit late tonight just to advance study a few things for chemistry. Inorganic and organic chemistry, we have that subject for tomorrow. And I've been trying to figure out how to calculate how to complete the precipitation reactions. It's basically reactions about bubble reactions, and it's quite hard, to be honest. Maybe I'm still not getting used to balancing equations, but I've been doing this for the past hour now, still trying to figure out how to calculate them.
Wala na guys, kasali na ako sa vlog niya.
Good morning, guys.
Hi guys. Nasa early birds kami guys.
Kasi English ako sa vlog ko eh.
Ayos.
We have 7:30 classes today, and it's wait, stop it. It's 7:05. So we still have like 20 minutes before we start our organic class.
Yes.
Yay!
Try natin mag-apply ng pool.
Alas.
So, lagi
Patay. Di ko. Here you go. A day in my life as a medtech student. My parcel came. It's actually the dog is so nosy. It's actually an Anafi book. So it's here. It's the writer left it here. So it's my Anafi book. Let's unbox it together. Oh, it has a dent already. But it's heavy. Today we're going to have our first laboratory activity for inorganic and organic chemistry, and I'm quite excited for it. Saan ka? Dito po ata. On this window.
New York to Austin. I can't wait to take you there. They see you walking. Can't help but stop and stare. Tell me what you want us to be. Can you tell me? I'll move a mountain for you to see. Then you can make it heavenly. Heat up like the summer in Tennessee. We could be so good.
We're on the second floor of the library, and it's really cool here.
We could be so good. I don't ask for much. I don't need to rush. Driving on the one with your hand over the ocean. Waves could pack a punch. Feel it when we touch. Falling with the sun, and I'm lost in all the motion. Tell me what you want us to be. Can you tell me? I will move a mountain for you to see.